Hello guys, welcome back. This is Deepak Thakur, English time motivational speaker. Today Krishna Chauhan and Nikhil Thakre with us, and today they will present basic conversation group A. So let's start.
Hi,
Hello,
how are you?
I'm fine and what's about you?
I am also fine. May I know your name, please?
Why not? This is Krishna Chauhan.
Where do you live?
I live in Devas.
Where do you from?
I am from Tiloknagar in Devas.
What have you done?
I have done my 7th class.
What are you doing nowadays?
Nowadays I am pursuing my 8th class and I am learning English with Deepak sir.
How old are you?
I am 14 years old.
When does your birthday comes on?
My birthday comes on September 23.
What are your hobbies?
My hobby is cricket.
Who is your idol?
My idol is Virat Kohli.
What is your strength?
My strength are my self-confidence and knowledge.
What is your weakness?
My weakness is agitation.
How many members in your family?
There are 4 members in my family, my parents and my brother.
What is your father name is?
My father name is Helen Singh Chauhan.
What does your father do?
My father is salesman.
What is your mother name is?
My mother name is Isnalata Chauhan.
What does your mother do?
My mother is homemaker.
What do you want to become?
I want to become a cricketer.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Thank you.